Solitaire Cash and Bingo Cash both typically process withdrawal requests within a couple of days, but Bingo Cash says players usually receive their funds within 2 business days. That makes it one of the clearest choices if payout speed is your priority. Solitaire Cash Done. Here are 5 real money games ranked by how quickly their platforms say you can actually get your winnings out, not by how fast you can finish a round. Number 5 is I'm Blackout Bingo. It runs through Skillz, and Skillz says standard withdrawals can take 4 to 6 weeks because withdrawals are manually reviewed and checks may be issued. Skillz also has a faster bank withdrawal option for select players, with most same-day ACK withdrawals arriving in less than 24 business hours. Skillz support email. So Blackout Bingo can be fast if you have access to the newer bank option, but the standard Skillz withdrawal timeline keeps it at number 5. Number 4 is N-Pool Payday. Like Blackout Bingo, it uses the Skillz cash tournament system. That means the payout speed depends heavily on which withdrawal method is available on your Skillz account. Standard withdrawals are listed at 4 to 6 weeks, while eligible same-day ACK withdrawals can arrive in less than 24 business hours. Skillz support freak. Number 3 is In Solitaire Cash. Its official support page says withdrawal requests are typically processed within a couple of days, and after processing, the money is sent according to the bank or payment processor's timing. Solitaire Cash also says withdrawals can be processed within 14 days, although players usually receive the funds within 2 business days. Solitaire Cash 2. Number 2 is In Bingo Cash. Its official support documentation gives a maximum processing window of 14 days, but says players usually receive their funds within 2 business days. That makes the normal experience considerably more predictable than Skillz's standard check-based timeline. Bingo Cash 4. Number 1 is N-Skillz games using eligible fast or instant bank withdrawals. This isn't one specific game, but it covers Skillz titles that support the newer withdrawal system. Skillz says most same-day ACK withdrawals are paid into your bank account in less than 24 business hours. Skillz 5. So the ranking is simple. Eligible Skillz bank withdrawals first, Bingo Cash second, Solitaire Cash third, Pool Payday fourth, and Blackout Bingo fifth. One more thing. Payout speed doesn't mean profit. Cash tournaments can require an entry fee, and Skillz says bonus cash itself cannot be withdrawn. Skillz support on sixth. If you're testing these games, start with free play, verify the withdrawal rules for your location, and check the available cash out method before depositing. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money game rankings.